what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18. Now check this out. We got a new super tweeter on our table, the PRO-TWN4. The N is because it's a neodymium motor, neodymium magnet. It's a real nice super tweeter. It's my first time checking it out. All I know it's a 4-ohm version. So this is rated at 75 watts RMS, 150 watts program power, 300 watts max power. It has 109 dB sensitivity. This thing, supposedly, it gets loud. Let's open it up and check this out. So we got a nice small DS18 manual. Let's move this out of the way. Check out the body on this thing. It's all aluminum, not plastic. All aluminum. Check this out. Nice aluminum detail of the DS18. This is, remember guys, the TWN6. Check this out. Look at that Neo motor. Real nice, beautiful. It's not heavy at all. It looks good, it feels good. It comes with a base blocker so you can protect it. We're gonna connect it to our Candy 5 channel. It should do the rated power. Now remember, our Candy 5 channel is, it's not crossed over, so it's at full range. We're gonna use the base blocker to protect it. And now let's connect this bad boy so you guys can check it out. Let's see what song we got around here. Let's look for a nice vocal song. Let's see what we can find. Vocals. Let's see what we got here. Songs playing. Amp turned on. Let's give it. There we go. Check it out. I'm gonna try a couple of different songs. Very high pitched. But I can hear clearly what the song is saying. It's very pitchy. You can hear it. Very pitchy, very nice. So that's it. The TWN 6.4 4-ohm super tweeter Neo motor, capable of handling 75 watts RMS, 150 watts program power, 300 watts max power. Sensitivity is 109 dB. Frequency response starts from 2K, I'm pretty sure. Let's find out. We got a little small manual here. So the frequency response is from 2K all the way to 20 kilohertz. Recommended crossover set to 3K. And there you guys have it. Another DS18 unboxing video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.